So this is our topic, negative exponent. For any non-zero number a and any integer n, so that is a raised to the power of negative n. So yung result niya is 1 over a raised to the power of n. Yung negative ay magiging positive na. Okay? So yung numerator natin is 1 over a raised to the power of n. Okay, example number 1. A raised to the power of negative 5. So based sa ating rule na kapag negative ang kanyang exponent, meron dapat yung numerator is 1 over a raised to the power of 5. Wala nang negative si 5. Another example, number 2, the quantity of 3x, quantity raised to the power of negative 3. So meron na namang negative yung exponent natin. So therefore, basta merong negative, kailangan yung numerator natin is 1 over si 3x raised to the power of 3. Okay? Exponent yan. Okay? Then isimplify natin. 1, kopyahin natin yung 1, and then si 3 merong exponent na 3, di ba? Then si x meron ding exponent na 3. So that is equal to 1 over, so si 3, i-multiply natin ito tatlong beses because of cube, yung exponent niya. So 3 times 3, 9 times 3, 27. Again, then si x cube, kopyahin na lang natin yan. So this is your final answer sa ating example number 2. Another example number 3, the quantity of 2a, quantity raised to the power of negative 3. Negative pa rin yung exponent natin. Therefore, kapag negative yung exponent, mayroon of 1 yung numerator, and 2a raised to the power of 3. Okay? And then, i-simplify natin yan. So, that is equal to 1 over si 2, lagyan natin exponent na 3, at saka si a, lagyan din natin exponent na 3. And then, simplify pa natin yan. So, 1 over si 2, i-multiply natin tatlong beses because of cube. So, 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8. Then, si a cube, kopyahin na lang natin yan. Okay, this is your final answer sa ating example number 3. Bye-bye.